Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will understand the main objectives of project management. But before we discuss the objectives, let us first understand what a project is and what project management means. A project is a temporary effort undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. It is temporary because it has a defined start and end date. It is unique because it is designed to achieve a specific goal. The main characteristics are, it has a clear beginning and ending, and once the goal is achieved, the project is completed. Every project, whether in IT, construction, healthcare, or business, follows these basic principles. So what exactly is project management? It is the discipline of planning, organizing, motivating, and controlling resources. The main objective is to deliver the project successfully while balancing several critical constraints. First, let's talk about scope. This defines the boundaries of the project and what needs to be delivered. Effective scope management ensures that the team stays focused on the agreed-upon goals without unnecessary additions. Next is time. Meeting deadlines is crucial. A project that finishes late can often lose its value or incur extra costs. Then we have cost. Staying within the budget is a primary measure of project success for stakeholders. Quality is another major objective. Delivering on time and under budget means little if the final result doesn't meet standards. Beyond the triple constraints, stakeholder satisfaction is a key objective. We must meet the needs of those invested in the project. Team efficiency and motivation are also vital. A well-managed project empowers the team to work at their best. Project management also aims to mitigate risks. Anticipating problems before they happen keeps the project on track. Resource optimization ensures that every person and tool is used where they add the most value to the outcome. Clear communication is an objective in itself. Keeping everyone informed prevents misunderstandings and delays. To recap, project management balances these objectives to transform a unique idea into a successful reality. By following these principles, you can ensure your projects are delivered effectively across any industry. Thank you for watching. For more professional insights and tutorials, visit us at AndroIndian.com. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your colleagues, and hit the notification bell for more updates. We'll see you in the next video. Happy managing!